everybody, my name is Ariel Ray. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you. If you're here and you're new, well, hello there. Nice to have you. And if you're coming back, well, thank you for the support, and it's really good to have you back. Okay, so today's video is going to be, this is actually like my second video today, but I need to get it out for February 14th. So you'll be seeing this on February 14th, hopefully, in the name of Jesus. Let it be coming out on the 14th. I'm going to try my hardest. So I'm doing a collab with another YouTuber. Her name is Karen Ann. I'll link her down below. Hold on, you guys. Okay, sorry. Baby was waking up. And I had to flip him over on his stomach so he can go back to bed. Okay, so back to what I was saying. We're doing a Valentine's Day collab, and this is to support one another. So there's going to be multiple people that have entered this collaboration, and it's supporting other YouTubers is what I'm understanding. That's what we're doing. So we're collabing and we're exchanging with a different channel. So I had originally got another channel, but something happened, and so I'm now going with the woman that actually created this collaboration for us. So I sent her a box and she sent me a box, and we either made each other something, sorry, or we exchanged like Valentines. So it's based on Valentine's. It's going to be the theme of Valentine's. I honestly don't know what to expect, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome. So I sent her mine my way. So in the description, I'm going to leave her link in there so that way you can go see what I exchanged with her, what I sent her, because I'm going to be opening what she sent me. I have not opened the box yet. I haven't even untaped it or anything, which I need to do that now, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to. Let me see if I can unravel this. Well, let me see. Maybe I can do it. Okay, I think this is going to be a while. Give me some minute. Sorry, you guys. How is everybody doing? How is everybody's Valentine's Day going? I hope everybody is going well. How's everybody's weather going? So it's supposed to get down to 13 degrees over here. I'm not used to that kind of weather. I live in South Texas, like I said before in my last video. I live in South Texas, so where I'm close to, it doesn't really snow here very often. It's only snowed here maybe 3 times in my lifetime, and I'm 29. So, well, I'm glad they packaged this very well. It's very well packaged. Okay, so when I open the box, it's like this. So it has pink on there. You guys. So it has... Aww. Okay, I just dropped something. When I open it, I still have a lot of pink. She packaged it very well. Okay. So when you open it, it just has like a lot of stuff so that it wouldn't break. And this is what it is. It's a brush holder. I don't know if my brushes are gonna fit. Oh, okay. Well, maybe my bigger brushes. I need to wash my brushes, you guys. I think what I'm going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is I'm either going to set some pebbles in here, find some pebbles, and that way it heightens up the, it heightens up the tube so I can be able to put my brushes in, and then it'll be able to fit. But because it's too long right now, it's too tall that they won't fit. So what I'll do is I'll put some pebbles in there and it'll make it taller. So okay, sorry, my husband came in. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is just put some pebbles in here. I don't know what color I'm gonna do, so I'll probably find some like clear and pink ones maybe, and then I'll heighten it up. I like it, it's really cute. So thank you, Miss Karen. I actually seen her, she featured this on her channel when she was showing us her examples of what we could do for each other, and so I got this one. I got the first one she made. So thank you, Miss Karen, I appreciate it. I'm so excited. My little shelf slash vanity, I really need to get some organizers for it so that I can organize it well, because I have stuff like kind of like on there displayed out, but I need to find a different organization. But I do. That was it for this video. I can't wait till she opens mine. I really can't. Y'all have to go look at her channel. In the link below in the description I'm gonna put. Y'all need to go and look at it, because I don't know, it was the first thing I did for Christmas. I made a big old cross. Like, I'm talking about a 6-foot cross that I made, and I made it out of cardboard. I made it out of poster boards. And so what I did was I slid it, and I slid it but not all the way in, and I slid it like an inch apart all through the whole cardboard, and I was able to mold it to how I wanted it to be. So when I molded it into like logs kind of, and then I spray painted it brown so it looked like real wood. It was beautiful. Beautiful. My mom has it right now. But and you can also reuse it, but I think I doubled it with the cardboard, and I actually wanted to triple it, maybe quadruple it, just to make it really, really sturdy. That way it would last years. What was my whole point? Arts and crafts, right? You guys, I lost myself. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just... I'm lost. I lost my train of thought. I heard the door, I thought it was going to open, so I lost my train of thought. I was with the cardboards. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so yeah, I haven't done arts and crafts in a while, so I did do when she announced this collaboration is when I decided to do it. And so I just put something together. I went and I got a couple of vases. You know, they're kind of like brush holders, but she can use them however she wants. And I hand painted them. And then it's really, really cute. You have to go look at it. And the way I packaged it, it was so cute. I did what I could and with what I could, and I think it came out amazing. I think just the detail in it itself was enough. I think it was awesome. So I'm excited for her to see it. So I hope she enjoys it. Well, you guys, I know this is a very, very short film. I didn't expect it to be really, really short, but I haven't really done a short video for you guys, so you'll have a little bit of a sneak peek or like a sneak shot, because like I said, I haven't done a short video like this. I want to start doing my declutter soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that, and make sure your notification bell's on. That way if you want to see my declutter, because I got quite a bit to declutter. I have been decluttering here and there, so just because I'm getting tired of seeing old things and I need to make more room, and just so I've been getting rid of a lot, but I still have a lot. I've kept a lot. The only thing that I have that I probably won't be getting rid of is eyeshadow palettes, because I'm constantly getting rid of them because I gift them to my mom or to my sister. So, but other than that, I do have a little bit of a declutter, but it can also be a collection. So you can see my collection, how it's grown in the last 2 years. I think it's been about 2 years that I've been collecting makeup again, so that my collection has started again. So, oh, and also there's going to be another BoxyCharm coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. I am trying to upload my 2 BoxyCharms right now. So I have a premium and a base box that I'm trying to upload, but I'm having a hard time. So hopefully I'm able to upload this one, because it's really driving me crazy that I cannot upload the other ones. They should be out already. My premium should have been out yesterday, and my base box should have been out today. That way it could be already out. So, but for the most part, I hope y'all have an amazing, beautiful day, and happy Valentine's to y'all, and share the love, spread the love. I love you all, guys, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.